Hey y'all, let's get started. So first let's go over what we'll need. We'll need some cuticle oil, some pure acetone, a nail file, some nail glue, some hand lotion, a buffing pad, and this is also optional. You can also use some Q-tips as well as some cotton balls, and of course you will need your press-on nail set, so I'm going to use this one right here. So what I went ahead and did off camera was I already put in order the nails according to, what finger I needed to use them for. So you're just seeing me do this here because it's going to go for easier application throughout the tutorial. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my nail file. You're really seeing me do this just to kind of get the cuticles out the way. And this is only for if you haven't done a manicure already. I already did, but I just want to show you guys how to do it. So go ahead and soak your hand into some water for a few moments. Take your edger and push back your cuticles. And then you could take a nail cutter, as you can see me doing here. And I'm just cutting off any excess or any jagged cuticles. Now I'm taking a stronger nail file and I'm really just trying to rough up my nail as much as possible. The reason why is because the rougher the nail is, the better that the glue will grab on, which will give you a longer nail application, at least in my experience, and that's exactly what we want, y'all. So I'm taking my nail buffer and just really quickly buffing them off, taking my scissors to cut off the nail glue. And as you can see, my hand is unsteady. I don't know what's going on, but I'm putting it on in the middle, and then you see me working my way around the nail. And then when I'm putting on the actual nail, I don't know why my hand's so unsteady. I'm pushing it back onto the cuticle as much as possible before I press it onto the rest of the nail bed, and then I'm going to hold it down like this. Now I always start off with my pinky. I also like to start off with my hand that's not so dominant because I just like to get the hardest part out the way. And I don't know if y'all like that, but that's how I am. And I'm just using that same method and I'm going throughout the whole hand. The only thing you'll notice me not doing is I don't touch my thumbs as of yet. I do that absolutely last. And the reason why I do the thumbs absolutely last is because, as you can see right now, I'm using my thumb as my main finger to really press down that nail. So I don't want a nail on there. I just like to, again, keep things as simple as possible. So just keep it simple, y'all. Keep it real simple. Just do the thumbs last. You also see me doing like a rolling method. The rolling method also helps keep that nail down. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same method that I just showed you guys on the other hand. Another thing is too, after you apply the nails, try not to wash your hands or submerge your nails into some water for the next few hours. Really let that nail glue bond with your nail bed. So now I'm taking that same nail file and I'm just filing out any inconsistencies such as sharp edges, etc. Now I'm finally going to go ahead and I can't talk today. Now I'm finally going to go ahead and do the thumbnails. As you can see, I'm just using literally the same method I showed you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the top coat. You don't need to do this. I just like to do it because I like for my nails to look salon quality, y'all. I'm fooling people. So I'm going to go ahead and paint on that top coat. Then as you can see right here, I'm going to place my hand underneath my nail lamp. And I like to keep that under there for about 60 seconds. Now I'm just doing the other hand. We're almost done, y'all. This is such an easy tutorial. Now I'm taking my cuticle oil and with a Q-tip, I'm dipping that in and then I'm going around my cuticles with the cuticle oil. This is for a few reasons. Number one is to keep our cuticles moisturized. I hate seeing dry cuticles and I used to be very much an offender of this. And then also just to give your hands, again, that smooth quality salon look. This is optional. You don't have to do it. I'm taking some acetone and just rubbing off any excess nail glue that came onto my hand. Now I'm taking my hand lotion. I'm about to say nail lotion, y'all. You see, I'm all over the place. And simply lotioning my hand. We doing everything as if we was in the salon. We just doing it ourselves for much cheaper. And this is the final look. I told you guys it's a very easy tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and put them in the comment section below. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media at Loverofshades. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you guys later. Bye.